manufacturing is racing to the Piedmont Triad. In fact, soon we will have a Toyota battery plant in our backyards, and company leaders are in search of qualified candidates for the jobs.
Yeah, community colleges and universities are gearing students up early and driving them towards the automotive industry to fast track them into this successful career. Tonight, Fox 8's Elijah Skipper highlights GTCC's focus on educational and experiential learning opportunities.
I get inquiries almost daily now from a variety of businesses that want to hire our students.
It's exciting times for Jeff Fairclough, who's head of GTCC's Automotive Programs Department.
One of our graduates is manager of a tire store here in Greensboro now. One of our graduates is lead technician at one of the GM dealerships here in Greensboro. If you go to most car dealership in the area within about a 50-75 mile radius, we've got students and or graduates there.
His students are getting some great jobs in a field that they're passionate about and one that's losing quality workers.
A lot of the technicians are aging out. Their technicians are my age or older, and they're retiring.
For the last 18 years, Jeff has dedicated himself to training young people to be the best and brightest in the industry, one currently changing at a rapid pace with electronic and hybrid vehicles.
That's what the demand is for right now.
All those cars that are on the road now need service, and the community colleges are responding with some really great programs.
GTCC offers several programs focused on collision repair and refinishing technology, to one exclusively for Ford vehicles. The goal is to offer a bumper-to-bumper approach to the automotive industry so they can get right to work for people like Mary Rice, who owns Toyota of Greensboro.
It's not so much of a grease job that you would have historically put together with an automotive technician. It's more of somebody who is like a computer engineer figuring out which computer in the car has a problem and how do I fix that computer in that car.
So far, the students have shown great success.
Hearing them tell me that they're happy where they are and hearing their supervisors tell me that they're happy with the students' progress and their success, that's the gratification that we get as instructors here.
In Guilford County, Elijah Skipper, Fox 8 News.
And if you are interested in any of these programs, just go to autotech.gtcc.edu. It is important to know that each program starts at different times of the year, so you may have to wait a bit for a time that's convenient to you.
All right, if you live near Randolph County and want to work in the world of barbecue, this one is for you. Black Powder Smokehouse in Asheboro is hosting a job fair tomorrow and Saturday. All you have to do is show up between 4 and 8 p.m., talk to staff about openings, and even apply